Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start the topic that is related to the shapes of various orbitals. In the previous videos, we have seen various type of momentum, the energy distribution, and various topics related to electron. When we talk about the electron, it's the rotation of electron or a revolution of electron around the nucleus. Okay, but basically when we talk about the energy orbitals, these stationary orbitals in which electrons are revolving, that shapes are varying as per the elements and the atomic structures. Okay, now here we are going to see the very first shape, that is S shaped orbital. Okay, S-shaped orbital or S orbitals are, you can see here, they are spherical in shape. Now there are X, Y and Z orbitals, axes are drawn there. But you can see that as it is spherical in shape, so there is no dimension for it. The electrons distribution is equally symmetrical in all dimensions, whether it is x, y or z axis. So S orbital is spherical in shape, and the middle portion you can see here, the nucleus. Okay, so in this way the S electron, or you can say the S orbitals shapes, can be identified. Then comes the second one, that is p orbital. I told you in the previous topic that p orbital is dumbbell shape. What I said, it is dumbbell in shape. So here you can see the px, py and pz orbital. Now how you can identify, how you can draw it? You can see there the horizontal line, that is x-axis. On x-axis, if the dumbbell shape is there, that means that these are nothing but the lobes of that orbital, p orbital. So you can identify it as the p orbital's lobes are on x axis, so it is px orbital. Then in the second one, it is on y axis, so it is py orbital. And the third one, it is on the z axis, the lobes are on z axis, the energy distribution on z axis, so it is pz orbital. In this way, the energy orbital of p orbital is divided in three orbital parts. So px, py and pz orbitals. Now comes the d orbitals. In case of d orbitals, you can see it is double dumbbell. Now as there are 5 energy levels in it, in s orbital there is one energy level, that is s. In p orbital there are 3 energy levels, x, y, z, that is px, py and pz. In d orbital, the orbital distribution or spatial orientation of electron is distributed in 5 orbitals. So they are dxy, zx or xz. Third one is dyz. Fourth is dx square minus y square, and last is dz square. Here you can see the double dumbbell shapes. Dumbbell is single lobes are there, and in double dumbbell you can see the orbitals are distributed in between the axis. Like in first one, जैसे आप पहले को देखोगे तो dxy, तो अगर आप देखो यहाँ ऑब्जर्व करो, ये लोब्स x और y ऑर्बिटल के बीच में हैं. दूसरी केस में dxz है, तो यहाँ देखो x ऑर्बिटल है और ये x एक्सिस है और ये z एक्सिस है, तो इनके बीच में लोब्स हैं ये. सिमिलरली y में z ऑर्बिटल और y ऑर्बिटल के बीच में लोब्स है, तो यहाँ डबल लोब्स हैं, सो द नेम इज़ डबल डम्बल. अब एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर वाला जो ऑर्बिटल या एनर्जी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ओरिएंटेशन है या स्पेस में ओरिएंटेशन है इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की, तो वो ऑन द एक्सिस है. यानी कि एक्स स्क्वायर वाले में देखो एक्स पे लोब्स है और वाई स्क्वायर वाला जो है वाई पे लोब्स है. सो dx² माइनस y²। और लास्ट वन है z² में, तो दोनों डम्बल्स या लोब्स जो हैं z एक्सिस पे ही हैं। इस तरह से वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई ईच एंड एवरी energy orbitals and their shapes. So s orbitals are spherical in shape, p orbitals are dumbbell in shape, d orbitals are double dumbbell in shape, and f orbitals are having the complicated structure. So that's why they are not identified. Okay.